Brad Williams, XL Prime. We're going to do another offset, and this is about counting. Once you get a feel for the offset, then it's a matter of, in this case, we're dealing with columns. I gave you a couple rows, and now we're going to mess around with columns. Here it is. We have offset C5. Where are we planting our flag? C5. We have 0 for row. Column A8, A8. What column is this? 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Minus 1, 2. What we have to look at is, where do we plant our flag? Right here, C5. And here, what did it say? It says 2. Column 2. Go over, and we got to count 2. That's 116. Notice there's no height or width. So those are optional. Remember, this is a 0 in terms of the row. And now we have to look at columns. We have to count columns from where we planted our flag. So we have to go 1, 2. Then we go over where it can get kind of confusing here. We have to look at C5. Then from there, we have to go column B, which is going to be 1, 2 times 3. Well, 2 times 3 is 6. Minus 1 from C5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 101. Where we plant our flag is 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 101. 6th month. We go back to the 9th month. And we're going to have column number 1, 2, 3, C5, C8. It says column C8. And that's going to be 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Minus 1 is 8. From here, from 0, we have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's critical. Do not look at these numbers here. The numbers are just to show you that there's 18. Remember, this is actually 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can continue reading this, but it's the same stuff as the two other offsets. Clearly we're focusing on columns. And then here we have, read this, C50 column A11 minus 1, minus 1. What does that mean? That means we have 1 minus 1. So we're starting at 0. Remember, this is 0. This is 0. Even though this is 1, this is 0. That's why we're able to pick off this number 1. And then 1 times 3 is 3. The next one's going to go 86. And we're just going to copy that across, and it's going to be consistent. So we can look here. We're going to go column B11. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 86. 0. Just remember, this is 0. I know I could put the 0 up here. I'm not going to. Make you guys work a little bit. And so on and so forth. And you can hit F9 until your heart's content. But that's how you fool around with columns and rows with the offset. It's because we don't use it that often. It's just something we don't remember. I have to reread everything because it's rare that I ever use this thing. But when I'm doing the tutorial, it sets me back a little bit, and now you gotta go, oh, all right, now I get it. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks for watching.